How to get $100 vanilla gift card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in vanilla gift card promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for vanilla gift card. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Deal Sport. Now I can scroll and check. You're going to find tons of offers, 50% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on Show Promo Code. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then you can click on use at vanillagiftcard.com. You will be directed to the official website. Now you can log into your account. Select the gift card that you want to purchase. Proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for vanilla gift card. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get up to $100 vanilla gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.